Whakalofa atu makau, welcome back. Whoa, ko e lakahui au ki ngā hoe hoana haku ke mau e pokiata ke tause tau kiwhanga si liwatu au ki kaina tahu tu la ke lakahui ki ngā hua si tahu tu la ki ngā hua ki kaina. So peeps, welcome back. Thought I'd just do some vids. First off, shout out to Big Bowler, my Tongan friend in Tonga in Aussie. He's man, he's on his fitness journey and he's been smashing out his exercise. He's doing muscle ups now. That guy went from obese to fitness model, flying up and flying down. Damn. And also shout out to my man David Lakatani. He's the guy that said, man, might as well just vlog your walk home. So this is what I'm up to, walking home. I was at home just sitting down looking at my computer screen. Then I thought, man, why not go for a walk? And yeah, here I am 2 hours later, still walking. Why am I walking? Yeah, because I was just at home sitting on the computer. But the other main reason why is I've been getting my thought processes have been slowing down. Manatu haku e mitaki. So yeah, studies show that the more you exercise, the better for your brain health, better for your memory. And yeah, so for the last couple of days or weeks, I've been going for runs, going for walks whenever I can. And yeah, it's been helping. Masila e manatu haku. Masila, sharp. My thinking's getting a bit sharper now. Good for my heart, good for my brain. Reason why? It's because I do shift work, and I have 3 kids. Tolu tau tamahaku ke leveki. I have 3 kids to look after, and just after a while you just you neglect your sleep. E mohe mitaki, and then that's what happens. So yeah, can't do much about sleep if you got so much going on, because you got to look after the kids, eh? But yeah, so I've been focusing on my sleep, that's obvious, but the other part is just getting more cardio done to improve the blood flow to the brain. Yeah, I got family members in my family that have kind of like memory problems, borderlining on dementia in older age. So exercise is just helpful to prevent that, reduce that. So the longer you exercise, like the more years of exercise you get, the better for your brain. Yeah, but you have to get your sleep in and eat well, but exercise also helps a lot. So I thought I'd just share that with you. FaoFao Moui, FaoFao Sino, exercise. Oh, another one, yeah. I don't know if you guys know, but ako e wangahau Niue, learning another language is really helpful for the brain health too. Helps you keep the brain cells, synapses. If you're a neuroscientist or you study the brain, put some comments down below. If you're having similar issues with your thinking, like foggy brain, slow thinking, put it down if you're experiencing it, or if you're doing things to prevent it, or even if it's not in your family. But yes, for me, it started the thinking. Sometimes it takes a while to remember things. Whakalawhatu, learning another language helps with your brain. Just keeping your brain active, really, I guess, is the main thing. You might have seen in the previous video, kamata te ako wangahau Niue, waihenga ako wangahau Niue, ko hingo ko FaoFao Moui Niue, mo e tūtala whakaniue. we've started some language classes in the East Auckland area, GI, at Te Oro. Every Saturday, 3 till 5. Depending on our class group, we might have some in closer to South Auckland if people are travelling out, but there's something we're going to discuss. If most of the people are from the East Auckland area, we'll just leave it as it is, but if we're getting people travelling out, then we might, you know, return the favour and travel out closer to their house. Yeah, exciting stuff. For me, learning the language is important. It's just basically, for me, it's more that's my parents' native tongue, so it's easier for me to converse with them. You know, I'd love to just talk in English to them, but it's hard. So yeah, my dad, yeah, when he speaks Niue, he probably doesn't speak much anyway. If it was English or Niue, he's kind of like a man of few words. But yeah, that's probably one of the main reasons to learn the language. And the other thing is that I've got to learn it to teach my kids. Yeah, so I'm a bit late to the party, but hey, I'm still trying. Yeah, looks like, from what I've heard from most of the fluent speakers, all of them were told no English in the house, speak the native tongue. So that's like with the Samoans, the Tongans, you know, my friends at work that are fluent, they just go, you know, the parents say no English, Wangahau Samoa, Wangahau Tonga, and pretty much that's how, that was to say easy, basic. You know, there was no like secret techniques, learn this, master this technique. It's just straight up, bro, don't speak English in the house. Whakalofa tu mākou, we're back for our newer language classes. This time we're called, last time we were Tūtala Whakaniue, now we're Whakaniue Tūtala and FaoFao Moui Niue together. We got one of the head takitakis.
Yes, today is our first day of the FaoFao Moui Niue Tūtala Whakaniue, and we're going to run this program for 12 weeks. So if you really want to know some basic Niue, this is the place, Te Oro at Line Road, 3 p.m. Saturday.
Yeah, we got FaoFao or FaoFao. The last one we went was pretty tight, but this one, this is where they do production in GI, a lot of production, theatre. People pay to come watch, but we got this as a classroom, so it's pretty good. We just got the setting up. Yeah, so if you're keen to learn the Wangahau Niue, come down Saturdays 3 to 5 GI. We got our early risers. Yep, and I managed to get my kids here. It's okay, I better help. Kia monuena. Alright, sei kamata e pahenga ofo mo whiawhiao ke tause. Looking forward to starting the class today.
Excited.
Got getting lessons as I'm vlogging. Excited to teach, good feeling. Hopefully we have a good turnout. Looks like we've got a good course coming up. We got the food. We got some nice food coming up, prepared, and yeah, got some new things. Hopefully you can see that the weather's come right out there. The Blues just beat the who did the Blues beat? The Brumbies, and I think the Chiefs are playing the Hurricanes tonight, eh? Yeah, that's if you want a time reference for where we at right now. So yeah, me mawhala. After this, if the kids do well, I'm gonna take them out, maybe take them for some noodles and toast, or maybe a banana and some water. But yeah, looking forward to it. Wanna say something, Eden? Flora, you wanna say something? Vaughn, you wanna say something? Nah, here to learn Wangahau Niue. All good? That's all right. So from a fitness point of view, carrying from the earlier part of the video, I've started fasting, and man, it's working. Losing weight quick. You know, sometimes I eat just 2 meals a day, or 1 meal. I'm working towards 1 meal a day, and it's pretty good. It's pretty easy, you know, once you decide you want to do it. But yeah, if there's something, if you guys are out there wanting to look at other options of losing weight, try fasting. You know, just look it up. Dr. Jason Fung, he's got a lot of info in it, or anyone. You want to get the right advice about it. But yeah, so we're almost there. It's 2:45, starts at 3. Yeah, just getting ready to prepare, looking forward to it. Okay, koe kia.
John Steven, Piani Gaiden, Flora, Vaughan, Indy, Ari, Koe Foki Masione, Piani Matufini ko Mari, Koe Taki Hae wa Toke tu Poko no tu Fari de no foi, Kai Mai ke mai wa mai, ha koe Filevia tu tu ki FaoFao Sino he. Tua của John Steven ấy á, cái tông ở hôm tới kêu cái lao nó tới phơi đồ tông tu đồ này của lấy tông mà náp là lấy tông xin của ai pha hia cái là cả hui phơi của nó phô nói đi cái hạ coi ôi bé quay kêu cái mồi ấy á, đó là tới cái tông ở hui ha hôm nay còn ở đây cái Doa ka tau toru, amana kini kia ma fora munui ne tau ahua ne mai kiai, me tau exercise koa amamuna ki foki kiai. Aia tu nili ki whirewea tau mōngo whakamui, whakaue la.
Whakaue. Fun.
Whakalawhalahi to everyone. This is the Te Oro building that we're coming here to start and this is the first session for FaoFao Moui Niue. FaoFao Moui Niue is not only about the language, but it's also about our culture and our well-being. So in this program, we'll learn the words, the words. At the end of the program, I'm sure that many of them will know some Niue words, which is what we want to do. We want to revitalize our Wanghao Niue. We want our Niue people to know how to introduce themselves. When they go out into the whole world, at least they know, they say their name, they greet them in our Niue language, also introduce themselves in our language. So when people say, hey, hello, how are you? Where do you come from originally? They can, feel confident and say, I'm from Niue. And if they say, well, how do you speak Niue? And then you could say it, your introduction, your whakawhai loaki in Niue, for people to hear, okay, so that's why it's important for us to revitalize our Wanghao Niue. And so also what I've heard, there's only 4% of our Niue people in Aotearoa who can speak the language, which is very interesting. Maybe it's my age group. It's only about 4% but many are New Zealand born. They don't know how, but they want to learn, and that's the thing we need to capture. So today, the FaoFao Moui Niue, it's about fun, it's about learning about the language, but it's also about our culture and our well-being. Whakawelahi. So if you want to join us, we still got 11 more weeks to go. So contact me or John. My mobile number is 021 125 9138. Okay, whakawelahi.
Whakaue.